Was good, guys? I hope everybody's doing well out there, being safe. I haven't done a lot of these videos lately, 101, just between us. It feels more intimate. And I'm glad that I had the opportunity to do it right now. In today's video, I just want to go over hype things that I've been reselling this year. And it's been a crazy year because a lot of items that has come out has been super hyped and people are willing to pay the premium for them. I think, or I'm not sure, but I think a lot of these items have been limited because of Kobe. I think I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I think that's one of the reasons that a lot of these items are going for triple, definitely double the money, triple, quadruple the money aftermarket, and it's just been insane. And I've been super busy just buying items and selling them. So I mean, it's my excuse for not making any of these videos, but I just want to make this video to show you guys a couple of the items that I've been reselling lately. If you stay at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a bonus if you're want to make some money. I throw an item there that you can buy or have a chance to buy. Welcome to SimpleChew. I'm your host, Hank. And the first item that I've been making a ton of money, and it's something that I can't believe that it was reselling for so much. And it's something that I kind of joked when people were telling me the market was showing signs that it was selling, and I didn't believe for a little bit, and then I had to jump into the wagon or off the wagon, whatever it is, and try to copy it and make some money. And that was the Pokemon stuff, especially the Champions packs. So if you can find all the elite boxes, the elite trainer boxes, I was really surprised that this was coming back as a hype item because if you go to like a Target or a Walmart, you see these trainer boxes just sitting there and nobody's paying attention. But I guess these came out recently, and people are literally paying double for the money on these. Once, like I want to say like 2 months ago, people were paying double the money for these. I don't know the market now because I'm just buying a couple of these and just holding them. I'm really not going to be reselling them anymore. I'm just going to wait a couple of years. That's what a lot of my peers who are into Pokemon are telling me. The other Pokemon that is going for some money is the Pikachu, the Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage. This is another elite box that is going for money. Not as much right now, but I know once they came out, it was a lot of money. But if you hold these, some of the experts in Pokemon, and I have a few friends that are really into Pokemon, they said that these are going to resell for a lot of money in the future. So I'm just holding. So what's special about these elite trainer boxes, especially with the Champions pack? People are trying to pull the Black Charizard. It looks like this. A lot of collectors and kids are really excited about it, and they want to get it, and they want to pull it. And it's like a gambling thing at the end of the day. I remember back in the 90s, early 2000s, when I used to collect these Pokemon cards. Getting the Charizard was the big thing. I remember getting the Charizard, and I traded it for 5 holographics, and that was a big deal. And now I guess the Black Charizard is the big deal now, but it only comes out in the black and the Champions pack packages. So that's why it makes these elite trainer boxes really special. Plus, it has a lot of other stuff on them. I might open one of these just to show you guys what's the hype. And then if you go for the Pikachu one, the Vivid Voltage, you get the Rainbow Pikachu, and that's the big hype on these specific boxes. So if you open the Champions pack, you're not gonna get any Pikachus. If you open the Vivid Voltage, you're not getting the Black Charizard in this one. That's what I've been told. The second item is moves along with the whole Pokemon trading cards. Is the sporting trading cards. That's a big market that is going really crazy right now. It was really slowing down, or it slowed down for a couple of years, and now it's just got super big. And I have this football illusion pack over here, and this is actually a mega box. So whatever that means, I just resell them. I don't know what they have inside. I don't open them. I just resell them how I get them or how it is. I never buy them aftermarket. I'll usually buy them retail, and these are usually in Target or Walmart. super hard to get. A lot of people camp for this in Walmarts and Targets. I've been one of them. I've been chilling in the Walmart for 6-8 hours just waiting for the distributor to come in and stock these. Literally, there's 6-7 guys waiting for the distributor to come in and pack them. You start stocking them. We don't even let them stock sometimes. We just go straight to the boxes. And some distributors actually are fair, and they do like a sharing thing where you get, if they have like 2, they get 1 each or whatever. But if they have 6, or they give just 1 to each. But sometimes you get really lucky and it's just you and the distributor, and you take everything. I know some of the Walmarts are they know what's going on. They got aware or something. People have been complaining, so they've been putting them in the back in the customer service area, and you have to ask for them, and they only give you like 2 per person or something. But even if you can buy 2 of them at retail, you're still gonna be making a lot of money. The third item, or items that they were really hyped, is something that I'm really familiar with, because it's something that I always seek every year, and that's the record store day. I collect usually a lot of vinyls, and usually on record store day, a lot of exclusive things comes out. A lot of vinyl and CDs and cassettes comes out that you can't get anywhere else, and they're really limited. That's the whole thing that makes them really hyped. So one of the vinyls for this year, they came out on Black Friday, was crazy hyped. That the Rolling Stones, Let It Bleed, RSD. Just went for, it was pretty expensive vinyl, which I was really surprised to be $100 for a vinyl. I never seen a vinyl for that much, especially for RSD. So I was really surprised, but it was going for $500 to $600 on aftermarket. If you go to eBay right now, it's still going for a lot of money. I was lucky that I could buy a couple of them in different stores, because people would not really aware of them, even just mostly collectors, but and they only made like 900 in the whole nation. So if your record store was able to get one, they got really lucky. Not a lot of record stores got them. I know a lot of Newberry Comics stores got them, and they were also lucky. Not all of them got them, so you had to like scramble and just keep hustling, driving and calling to see if they had it, and then just going around. But the whole hustle was worth it at the end of the day. Once you got a couple of them, because people were focused on the PS5 and the Xbox, I'm not even going. That's not even one of the items here. But that is one of the items that got. It's really hype, and a lot of people know. Everybody slept on the Rolling Stones. For $100, you could make $400 profit easily, selling it, just selling it on Facebook Marketplace or selling it on eBay. You can make your money easily, and it was $400. It was the same amount of money you could have made if you sold a PS5. They're so hyped. There's so many people know. So many people are seeking. And the last item, and this item made me a lot of money, and made a lot of my friends a lot of money, because I got them on, and even my brother made a lot of money doing the buying this item. And a lot of people slept on this item so bad. Like, I couldn't believe people slept on this item, because it went for so much money that I couldn't believe it. And that item is the end of the World War II 75th anniversary American Eagle silver coin. And I also got the gold coin, but that gold coin just sold so quick that I didn't even have a chance to bring it out here for you guys so you can sell. I sold it for 10 grand. It was going for like 2,400 around there. Retail, and people in the aftermarket was 10, 11 grand. And if you got it graded, it could have gone for 12 to 15,000, depending on the grading on the other coin. But I didn't grade my gold coin. I just sold it, and then I got the silver one, and I couldn't believe that people actually slept on these. A lot of my friends got a bunch of golds and silver coins. A lot of them are holding, and a bunch of them just sold. They make easy 40, 50, some of them 60 grand. People just slept on them. This is a really special coin, according to a lot of friends that are into collecting coins, because of the V75 inside. You're not gonna be able to read it, but it's a super special coin that, so this V75 is inside the coin, so it makes it really special, and people are seeking for it. Right now, if you got it early and you sold it immediately, you made a lot of money. I think it's losing in value right now. I just keep in this because I make so much money selling these coins that I just want like a souvenir. And for the bonus item, that if you're trying to become a reseller, or you just want to make some money, and you stay all the way to the end of the video, thank you very much. I'm just gonna tell you guys that if you go to Supreme and get the box logo, it looks like this. It costs like $130. I could be wrong. It ranges from $130 to $150. You can easily sell it for $500 to $600. It's gonna be really hard to get. If you watch this video tonight, or you watch it early in the morning, you're definitely going to be able to get this box logo. Not definitely in the way that you definitely gonna buy it and purchase it and resell it, but definitely going to have the chance to buy this box logo sweater. It's super hype. Box logos are always really special, and if you're able to get one, you're going to be able to make a lot of money in just one item. Just a bonus for you guys for staying all the way to the end. And if you want more items that I'm reselling, if you want to have an idea of what's the market, where the market is going, and items of what's hype, I suggest you to subscribe. As I've been reselling for the past 5 years, I've also been doing accounting for the past 10 years. So I suggest you to subscribe, you guys, if you're into all this stuff. And if you want to make some money, you want to learn about stocks, and you want to learn about your taxes, how to make your taxes, or how to prepare other people's taxes, suggest you to subscribe. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.